Imagine having a personal assistant that can write, explain, create, and even help you make money online. So in this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to set up ChatGPT from scratch, even if you've never used it before. First, let's quickly understand what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an AI tool that can answer questions, write content, generate ideas, help with school, business, or content creation. So we'll head over to Google. You open up any browser of your choice. Then we head over to Google. Then we have to type in ChatGPT. Then we click next. So Google will give us the search results. And obviously the first one will be the link, the exact website. So we'll select the first one. So this is the link. In case you're confused, it should have chatgpt.com. And right now we have this sidebar where it has a new chart, search chart, and this is the section where we can log in or right here. So in case you have an account, you just click right there. I think you already know what to do. In case you have an account, you can log in using your Google account or with Apple, or you can continue with your phone, or you can enter physically your email address and hit continue. But for our case, we're signing in up. We don't have an account, so we'll come right there. And here are the options of signing up. We have the option of using the Google account. We also have the option of using the Apple account. Then we also have this option of continuing with the phone and also the email address. Let's first try this option of using the Google account. What I'm gonna do is let me click on it. Now in this case, to summarize it up, you will get the options of the Google accounts logged in into your device in case you already have running Google accounts. So you'll just click on it and accept the terms and conditions and you'll be good to go. So right now we're gonna try this option of continuing with the phone. So we enter the country, you select the country that you're from. So you select from any country that you're from. Then after you insert your number right here and you click continue. But for the case of this video, I'm not gonna use the phone number. So let's try the final bit of it. Here we can use email. So any email that you wanna use to log in, to sign up your account, make sure that you access the actual email. If you can't, then you have to leave it because it's gonna confirm if it's your email or not. So there will be that verification process. Alright, that has been a quick one of this video. Give this video a thumbs up and a subscribe.